Hello everyone, welcome to our today lecture. In our today lecture, we are going to discuss that what is the difference between rise and fall of supply. In our previous lecture, we have discussed that what is the difference between extension and contraction of supply. Now we are going to discuss that what is the difference between rise and fall of supply. Basically, rise mean when there is no change in price is constant and supply is increasing. That is called rise of supply. And when there is no change in price and supply decreases, that is called fall of supply. We can write this all theory in a single mathematical way by this this bar sign shows that there is no change in price, the price is constant and supply is increasing, that is called rise of supply. And on the other hand, when price is constant and supply is decreasing, that is called fall of supply. So the question arises, if there is no change in price, so why price is there is no change in price, so why supply is increasing? And when there is no change in price, why supply is decreasing? Because the reason behind is this, that when price is constant, supply is increasing. When price is constant, supply is decreasing. The reason behind those rise and fall is the factor which are being kept constant in law of supply. They are forcing the supply to increase or decrease. For example, let's say there is no change in price, but now there are more producer available in the market. Now there are more supply, there will be more supply available in the market. So now this increase in supply is not because of price level, but because of more number of producer in the market. Similarly, when an firm introduces a new technology, so new technology will help the producer to produce more number of good, and when they are producing more number of good, definitely they are supplying more number of good in the market. So this increase in supply is not affected by increase in the price level. Price is constant, so but they are increasing the supply. So though now the increase in supply is not affected by price, but there are some other factors. So when there are some other factors involving in the market or in increase in the supply level, so this phenomena is called rise of supply. So now price is constant but supply is decreasing. We assume that there are flood in a country, and it has been badly affected the production of wheat. So now when there is less production in the market, there will be less supply in the market. So this less supply is not affected by price level. Price is same, but production is affected by flood. So there will be less supply available in the market. So this is called fall of supply. So in case of rise and fall of supply, we have more than one supply curve. So let's assume that first of all we are discussing about rise of supply. Price is 10, but the supply increases from 40 to 50. So now when we are drawing this in a simple supply curve, price is same at 10, quantity is 40, and then it is 50. So this is it is demand curve. We have to draw it again. So at price 10, first supply is S1 and the second supply is S2. At price 10, there is 40 number of unit available in the market for sale, and then as price 20, there are 50 units. At 10, there are 40 units available in the market for sale. So this will bring shifting in the supply curve, as we have two supply curve. So at price 10, there are 40 units available in the market, then price is 10, and now there are 50 units available in the market for sale. So supply increases from S1 to S2. So this is called shifting in the supply curve, as we have two supply curve. So in case of shifting, we have more than one supply curve. So when supply increases and there is no change in price level, the supply curve shift towards rightward. And similarly, when there is no change in price level, price is 10, and at price 10 the quantity supply is 30. Now the quantity supply is, let's say, 15. So when we draw this graph, price and supply. Price is constant at 10. The first supply is 15 and the second supply is 30. So the first supply curve is S1 here and the second supply curve S2 is here. So at rupees 10 there are 30 units available in the market for sale. Now at price 10 there are only 15 units available in the market for sale. There is no change in price but supply decreases from 30 to 15. So this is called decrease in supply or fall in supply. So again there is a shifting in the supply curve because there is no change in price level but supply is decreasing. So when supply decreases and there is no change in price, supply curve will shift to leftward. So supply curve will shift to left from S1 to S2. Again there is shifting in the supply curve because there is no change in price curve, and when there is shifting, in case of shifting we have more than one supply curve. This change occur because of those factors which are being kept constant. So rise and fall exist factor other than the price, factor other than the price. Anything which is other than the price, like technology or like fashion, population, more number of industries are entering in the market, or more number of industries living in the market, all of these things, and there are certain other things, maybe there are government policies or other things other than price. Everything which is other than the price will bring shifting in the supply curve.